Hi, welcome to our booth at InfoComm. My name is Solveig. I'm from Schnick-Schnack-Systems. I'm the Global Director for Sales and Marketing, and I would love to present you our outdoor profile series. It is a product, very slim design, custom made for every order, so it has a very small and tiny junction box. As you can see, this is the sample my team has prepared for me. Bolts and nuts can be positioned individually. It comes in a standard length of 500, but it can be longer, up to 3 meters, and can be cut individually, pixel by pixel. Also, the color of the profile can be adapted individually, and so as you can see it's a very, very slim design, outdoor rated, IP67, and can be installed for any media facade or outdoor application. It follows all of our well-known rules about or technologies about the control system, 16-bit dimming per channel, 60 FPS frame rate for the refresh of content, and the color management, as you have known it from ours. The quality is super high. Everything is made in Germany, so therefore our company name again. Schnick-Schnack-Systems. I would love to see you here at the booth. Our booth number is 7217, and our website, in case you cannot make it to the show, is schnick.schnack.systems. Thank you.